Welcome to the ToolHound Learning Center. Let's look at how to replace a damaged or missing barcode. In this example, the barcode is missing, but we can read the serial number. We'll search for the serial number to find the item. We can also search by any other information. Next, we'll remove the item ID. In its place, we enter the item ID on the label we're sticking on the grinder, and then we click Save. All transactions and documents linked to this tool will now show the new item ID. Let's see how to do this on the mobile app. From the Home menu, tap Change Item ID under Inventory. Enter the item ID that we're changing. For the new item ID, we scan the label we're sticking on the grinder. And then we tap Save. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center. For any questions, contact our support team.